या मज़ा आएगा भाई यहाँ आके तनिक देख लो नज़ारा कितना नीक है। आई हो नहीं है तो बहुत कुछ मिस कर दे हो भैया। चलिए इसको यहीं पर वाइंड अप करते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए सी यू। लुक एट द व्यू, अमेजिंग, इट्स ट्रेमेंडस, इट इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, इट इज़ अनबिलीवेबल, जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू। मेरा घुमाना है, घूमना ही मेन मकसद है, बाकी कुछ नहीं। अपना तो एक ही मकसद वो है घूमना। तो अभी नाउ आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड अस्सी घाट। सो बेसिकली आई एम इन राइट नाउ वाराणसी, बनारस, and as you can see that some kind of celebration is going on right here, as you can check it out. It is basically Kalash Yatra. Let's check it out. Some kind of Bhagavad Katha is going to start, so that is why they are putting our religious book on their head, and Pujya Shri Maharaj Ji will dictate the Granth, and so we are moving towards see. So basically we should go this side. This side we will go. So we are just about to reach Assi Ghat. So basically people are moving toward this side. So well, I will इसी साइड होगा, as we are very close to Assi Ghat. As you can see that here it is Ganga Cafe and Restaurant, Mohalla Assi Lassi. Lassi basically is very famous right here. So basically as you can see that it is Assi Ghat. So everyone, yes, welcome to Assi Ghat. Just look at the magnificent view. It is tremendous, outstanding. Whoa, just look at the view. It is amazing. It is tremendous. It is outstanding. It is unbelievable. Just look at the view. Oh my. What I was really missing. This is the real beauty of our India. This is the real beauty of our UP. Just look at the view. Just look at the view. Here you can get the lemon tea also, and some kind of beverages are also available here. But also one more thing that I want to explain, that just look at the beauty of this place. It is totally, I'm just totally stuck right here. Everyone is just asking for the some kind of ghats you want to visit. नहीं भैया भाई. So just look at the view. As you can see, it is amazing, nice, tremendous, outstanding, whatever be the words you can utilize right here. Just look at the some of the boats are right here, and the biggest issue is right here that they are utilizing the safety jacket. Firstly, that one incident took place somewhere in I don't know, I don't remember the place, but look at the view. It is Ma Ganga, and this ghat is called Assi, where Sunny Deol shoot movie named Assi Ghat was done. So basically just look at the view, look at the crowd, like there that is a bridge right there, and also number of ghats are right here. Just look at that point, it is a bridge also. Number of swings are right here. You can enjoy, your students, your colleague, your whatever belongings you can enjoy. And this is basically a place where aarti will take place. So this is basically the view, and I'm totally amazed by watching this view. That is a cruise ship like that, like there it is right there. A number of ships are right here. You will have to pay some money for this, and you can enjoy the journey. You can go number of ghats from these boats. So basically just look at the view. Let me zoom some. Just look at that point I'm indicating right there. In each and every boat you can check it out that there is safety boat is already available, because there is an incident took place after a few months back. So it is very important to manage such kind of things. So basically this is the view of Assi Ghat. Ashish sir, Mridul sir is right here. क्यों सर, कैसा है व्यू? तगड़ा व्यू है ना सर? बहुत ही बढ़िया और अमेजिंग व्यू है यहाँ पर। बहुत देर हो गई अंग्रेजी में ब्लॉगिंग, अब करते हैं हिंदी में, बोलते हैं। मज़ा आएगा भाई यहाँ आके, तनिक देख लो नज़ारा कितना नीक है। आई हो ना या तो बहुत कुछ मिस कर दे हो भैया। चलिए इसको यहीं पर वाइंड अप करते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए सी यू।